So here you have to understand the same scenario. Okay, got it? Like same process, how it works only. I think, is there any confusion here? But I told you, if you are getting any kind of confusion, everyday practice is important because today's topic is extension to yesterday's topic, isn't it? Correct? Because if you did not practice yesterday's things, there is a scope of getting confused today. Okay. Yes. Because we are going daily small extended stuff. That too, 2 hours. Obviously, I'll cover many things. Okay. So that's why immediate practice required. See, any kind of violation we are doing, no, we are following everything standard. I will tell you. 3 variables we declared it, 3 variables I used it. So are we following this declaration, operation, output? Operation is nothing but fetching or retrieving data from not only single table, 2 tables. Here you have to see the dependent things. Yes. Suppose here I have to write this approach. What is this approach? Because yes, it should be written in else. If it is written in else, it should be written as a not equals to 0. Yes or no? If it is not equal to 0, then write statement, write statement. Next, what you have to do is, okay, address details not found. Relevant, meaningful error. So, hope you guys understand the message meaning. Because how does it works? If first query executed successfully, okay, successfully, positive case, it goes to this else part. It execute this query. If this query is executed successfully, it goes to else part. It will print this message, this write statement. Correct? If the first query gets failed initially, then you will get this message, and it will directly comes exit end if. Okay, there is no question of processing to the next query, because next query is only if first query success, second query gets executed. If first query fails, there is no point of execute. Second query fails, it will write this message, this write statement. Got it? So what is the new understanding here is, what is new understanding? Both are dependent select statements. Okay, second query depend on first query because first query result GV address ADR NR gets filled. This the output of the first select statement is a input of the second select statement. This is what your observation you have to understand. For so got it, no? So I was saying that dependent things we have to fetch this way. Okay, so first you have to go to address number ADR NR. Address number is the link between LFA1 table, ADRC table. That's what we found as a functional solution. Implementing technically goes like this. ADRNR is already declared with that so that it gets filled first. This ADRNR only passing as a filter criteria for the second select query. Hmm? Yes, for better understanding. Yes, this now you understand the importance of if, else, and if. Okay, how do we use if else inside also? Outer if, inner if. And the second subRC importance also you understand. And right statement, meaningful right statement also you have to understand. Where condition, that filter condition, everything is important. This is only the way to fetch the address details of so and so particular vendor, because correct. So we will finally we'll go to debug mode. Last, debugging. Debugging, debugging. Go to GVADRNR, GV name one, GV postal code, right? So you have to follow my the table field name, the target variable name is same, only I added GV as a prefix. That is global variable. That's it. Name one. And you have to see post code one. Post underscore code one. That is the underscore is the name of the name, field name. But in the target, I did not give post underscore code. That underscore I missed. That is your no problem. You provide, that is well and good. Otherwise also it's okay. But okay, you have to see. First select query, check the subRC. Check ADRNR. ADRNR is leading zeros 54 you are getting automatically. Go to next level. Yes. Select a single name one and all. Right. That is 54. 54 through you are getting this results. Right. Name one and postal code. This approach. Then it is printing. Okay. Yes. So fine. Right. I want to alter this program in a different ways. Whether this program is flexible or not. Yes. Two tables you open it. First, LFA1. In LFA1 also, SC16N, SC16N, LFA1. Yes. So I want to display only with listener and the address number. Only two things. So for this, address number is 54, 46 and all. But if you go to the second table, that is nothing but, yes, this is your SC16N, UDRC, your uncheck all, go to address number, name one, and what else? Post code only we will do. Two things on, because yes. So if you observe it, address numbers, but here all address numbers are there because it is showing all address numbers. But I want the address of those vendors. Which vendor? Which vendor? One second. 46, 50, 54. So if I go to here, 46 domestic vendor, and this is the postal code. Next, if you go to 50, this is the domestic vendor 2 and postal code should differ, and this differ. That means if you change the vendor number, you got it, no? The address number is not common for each vendor. Address number differs. What is the link? If you want to pass to this table, you cannot go with listener based. Address number is the input for this table. You pass the address, get the further details. Okay, always you have to what is the input for this table and what are the output for this table. Which value you have to pass it. Yes or no? If you want to do some change, immediately you can go to change the program as 1 all 01. You will get the output difference. Simple. Change this input value. That's it. Input value. Remaining it's affected. Remaining gets affected. Yes, but here also we have to change it. Yes, the value which is coming vendor 002657876. Correct or not? Yes, correct. Yes, correct only. No doubt it will fetch as it is. That is the advantage of this. So because this is cross checking, my program is showing this value, whether really it is correct or not. If you want to cross check, you can cross check this way. Okay, clear? So this is one of the way we can go to this vendor address details. Then second table, because this is the way we have to link depending on the, like if you go to the table name called as yes, table name T001, that is company codes. So how many company codes are there in this server? There are 68 company codes. So this is your company code. So company code, built-in company code 0001, SAP SE, and we have 1000 company code. So many company codes and their details are also maintained here. Correct? So company code bookers. Company code text is BUTXT and ORT01 is city, land one, etc. 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 Okay. Yes. So now, okay, if you go to SC16, SC16N, company code is this. So all the company code data is directly available in that table only, completely. So fetching, because my input is most of the cases, company code means you will go to SPRO screen. But how you want to fetch this table? Quickly, you can write the query this way, because this is also important how to work with, because one master data I told you LFA1. Similarly, you go to KNA1 Mara table, similar example. One system table we will discuss quickly, company code details. So how you build the program is very simple and easy. Getting company code details. Yes. Getting or fetching function. Company code details. Because usually you go to the SPRO screen through, you are very much familiar. But code through, you want to fetch it. Most of the cases, what is required for is company code data. Data company code is nothing but bookers, type T001 hyphen bookers. Data BUTXT. Okay. BUTXT is nothing but type T001 hyphen BUTXT. Yes. Data ORT01. Because yes, this is your table. You have to see bookers, BUTXT, ORT01, land 1, and the currency. These 5 we will take, not more than that. So if you know in SAP we have this control Y. Control Y through you can select this. Control C. Fix selection. You can type it, paste it here. So bookers over, BUTXT is over. Now you can take, yes, this Excel. Okay. Type is a T001 hyphen ORT01. But even this one I want to declare it, go to pattern. In the pattern, we have the fields, structured fields. Fields also you can generate from the this one. So field name. What is the field name? If you go to F4, the table name first. Table name is T001. T001. Continue. We want this. This is your field name is land1. I will take land1. So it is giving in another dimension. Yes. Okay. Go to type declaration. I don't want type declaration. Type T001. Continue. Okay. So here it is. So in that case, land1 hyphen, because actually we can generate it from the system itself. Will, because if you forgot the basic syntaxes, even system will help you out. How? Go to pattern again, go to type followed by type it. Okay, we have table field WAERS, WAERS doesn't exist. T001 hyphen WAERS. No. So F4 table name, it is giving structured button. Fields also can be generated by using, even you forgot the data statement also, that provisions are there. Function, select, star. So these two are related to structures only. Okay. Variables. So go to this, because just observe it. Even yes, W is equal space WAE WAE. This is your, so here even I have not added the GV underscore also quantity. Correct? Yes. So you field names. You go to how do you fetch? Same flow you have to select bookers space BUTXT space ORT01 space land1 space WAERS EERS space, okay, into open bracket close bracket between. If you want to write it again, bookers comma important, then go to BUTXT, see the variation. Next, BUTXT ORT01. Next, land 1, ORT01 is city land 1. Then after WAE, this is common space. Here into followed by some space. That's why it is giving error solve. Now, what next? From followed by, this time we have to go to, we know that all company code details are stored in T001 table, correct? Yes, that is your, yes. But for which company code, that is important. So you have to type where bookers equals to standard, we will take 0001 now, which comes with built-in. If size sub RC not equals to 0, yes, you have to write statement, company code details not found, whether found or not found. If it is found, go to else, write company code details. Company code is bookers, comma new line. Next, company code text. Company code text is BUTXT. Next, what is that? Company code city. City is ORT01. Next, company code country key. Country is line 1. Now, that is your company code currency is, because company code creation is the primary task of FICO consultants. As soon as project begins, first they do this one. Yes. So you, what else? Typing error. What's the problem? WAERS. WAERS. The select is missing because something I missed. That is nothing but select followed by single keyword. I missed it. That's why it is giving some other error. So write single. Why it is and all I will tell you later. So this is more or less same approach only for you, but something little difference. What is difference? Because we changed, rather than LFA1, I switched to some system table T001. Yes. So declaration here, what is the variation? The field name, database table field name, target field name is same. Even I have not added GB underscore also. That is also accepted because at this operand position, that is your target variable name. Yes. So wantedly, I did this approach. I will tell you the reason. Okay, advantage of this particular query. First, let me check. Yes, this is what 0001 SAP SE Waldorf DEUR. So whether you have this or not, you will check, because you have to cross check in the database as it is. So I want bookers BUTXT WART01 land 1 and 5. First 5 fields only I want it. I want for which one? Yes, 0001. This is the, yes. So 0001 SAPSC Walldraft DEEUR. This is system giving in data browser. My program through I achieved it. Both are matching or not? Both are matching. Actually, I told you few days back, how does system is fetching? System also generating one query. This is system generated query. Displays. This is select star from T001 up to into corresponding into target where bypassing where bookers equals to G0001. This is the system generated query. You can see this is the result. So if you want to, yes, this is your position. But yes or no, we are getting exact value or not? We are getting. But tomorrow, I want to add street, SPRAS street. If you go to SPRAS means what? Language. So language is DG. I want to add a language. No confusion. DE means country or region. Okay, language something different. So if you want to add language, the changes to the existing working program. Yes, simply go to the sequence where you have to add this. So you have to add SPARS, correct? That is your go back. Field name is SPRAS. SPRAS. Be careful about. First of all, you cannot add directly in the query. You have to go from the beginning. Yes, data SPRAS type T001 table hyphen control space SPRAS. So first you have to add in the declaration, add in the select statement, add in the target area. The source name, target name is same now, but any violation, no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Target fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number matches, sequence matches, everything, even name also matches. Even name bookers to bookers, no worry. Here this bookers is database table field name column name. This bookers is target internal name because which operand position you are writing, typing is matters. Yes. So appropriately you have to extend the code this way. So got it? How you have to extend it? This is the way. Tomorrow you can extend the already working program. How? Yes, you have to know all these things. Actually, why red color? Because you have to extend this comma code. Here, output you are getting country key and language key, right? Whether you are getting, you want to have, suppose this is right way or wrong, whether it is getting right result or not, you have a doubt. Suppose you take some other country company code, no problem. You take you somebody Hyderabad INR 1234 as a company code. You take it. Yes, this result is 1234 Company Limited Hyderabad India IN. Even I will try to change it as 1234 here. We will see immediately when filter criteria changes, that is this the entire select query is executed based on this where clause, where condition. This is filter criteria because bookers is a key field. Where followed where is a keyword, where key field name equals to. So here This is not an assignment. This is comparison equals to single quote values. Okay. Yes. Now you are getting the result immediately as 1234 Company Limited Hyderabad INR INR India. Suppose by mistake I did something 125 1235. Immediately you are getting company code details not found. That means what? If you go to debugger, you will come to know sub RC is failed. Sub RC is 4 in this case. If you want to check bookers, BUTXT, all those target variables, can double click and check this way. Even size sub RC, you double click it, but select query is failed. Sub RC 4. When 4, all the values doesn't fill. When it doesn't fill, this become true. So it is giving as company code details not found out. Correct? Yes, this is the way you have to be more familiar to debug also, write also, because what is our requirement? Accordingly, we are able to develop the program this way. This is the approach. Declaration, fetching or retrieving, and printing by using sub-RC through. Clear? So this you what you can try out, because I will give some other examples for you. You can try out. Go back to Mara table, because in this table here master data is KN1 was empty. You take Mara material master 17 materials are there. Great. So you take materials. So this is your material details. Yes, you check it out. Material number is this alphanumeric LMR001. Material created by. Yes, material belongs to which group? Material group. Unit of measurement means MBRSH is industry sector, that is one retail industry. Okay, what is WETT? WETT is something WETT. That is your material type. Hmm? Competitive product. Competitive. So these details you have to fetch it. So we have to just I'm giving a requirement. Pass the input as a material. Get the details. What are the details? Material. Okay. Material number. Then where is the material name? Material name is not there here. You have to go to MTART MBRSH. This is also the problem, because in SAP the material, see if you look at here, we have two types of things. If you go to right side, SC11 MAKT table. MAKT table holds the material description. See, material number is available here, material description is available here. All materials descriptions are available here. Descriptions. So if you pass this LMR001 to this, then you will get the description as a testing material. Because you never find testing material description in this table, because SAP maintains material master general data in one table, description in another table. But how do you pass the link between these two tables here? Are like this. But the advantage is that This table is also have matter as key field. Even this table is also have matter as the key field. Correct? So same material you can pass it to this. Okay. Yes. So if you want independent queries, you can write it. Independent queries. You want a description, hit this table, pass material matter, get the description. You want general data, pass material, get the details. This table you can try out. Mara. Okay, for your clarity sake. You can try out because you try out any doubts, we will see. I can show you later. Next, we have next further table T001W, that is plant. So plants are stored in T001W. How many plants are there in this server? 3 plants. Go to here. That is which comes with SAP, I guess. 0001 and all. These are all built-in plants. Okay. So this is your plant name, etc. So if you go to plant details are there in T001W. Plants are branches. Directly all the details are there in this table only. So one master table, Mara, you try with Mara MAKT. Second table is this table. One system table you try out. One system table. Yes. So what exactly you have to fetch? I have a plant number. I'm passing plant number. I want plant name also. And this BWKY is valuation area. And the next name of the plant and street and postal code, city, purchase organization, and as well as this sales VK purchase organization, VK sales organization. These details you have to fetch. Can you try out? So pass the input value as 0001, fetch all those details and fetch all the details and display it. Two examples I am giving. Table names and field names are also. If you don't know the German, you look at right side English. Very simple valuation area, because with experience through we can remember it. All those stuff, name to street, postal code, etc. You try out. At least you try this too. Okay. Later on, we have transaction tables. That is something different we will do. This is enough. Okay. And another some kind of 10-15 minutes, I will quickly take you to one example. That is your exercises. Exercises example. So in this exercise PDF, this is actually I compiled it with some kind of published companies uh, information, and here and there with the different sources that I have prepared it. Some mixed with my own examples also. So this is all assignments and exercises. This actually formally this PDF is having 100 exercises, but inside so many exercises are there. Not each step, it's kind of specification for you. You get a feeling as a working in a live project environment. So this exercise, SC11 exercises are already covered. Correct? Yes. Exercises covered. So it covers 200 above examples. How to create? Yes, each one is a one exercise. See, actually, it seems like exercise is 10. Under 10, we have 9 subset. Each one is a small assignment for you to identify where used through you can achieve it. So definitely 200 above exercises you will have this. So these are all already I revised it. How to create tables, index creation also you can do it. Elementary section. Okay, data browser SC16, SC16N, database tables creation already done. Foreign key creation already explained. Yes. Now we are going to that means till now 14 exercises given to you. Now you go with 15th exercise because even this whenever some in the project the task is given to you, the FSRTS will take the printout, will try to underline the things, then try to understand and clarify all of your doubts with clear picture through you try to. Yes, this is also the same case. This so and so program name hash is your unique namespace AVK kind of. Okay, you go to SC38. You what you have to do is you have to as it is only type the program, retype the program, use the pattern button pattern icon to define the data statement and select statement. That means data statement is this. This statement don't type it. Insert through the pattern through. Pattern already started introducing. I shown you how to insert if case, do, while, all those stuff. This select also you can insert because select simply select through S flight you want to insert it. Just go to here, pattern, go to select query, select star from S flight, S FLIGH. So if you want, even though you forgot select query over a period of time, if select carried, comedy, flight data, price, go with your select query is ready. Within seconds, select query is ready. Okay, that's the advantage. Even though you can avoid the typing mistake, you can speed up the coding, programming also can quickly finish it. But after inserting the code, you have to go for changes as per requirement. It will give a kind of template only. This this way you can insert the queries from any table through select queries. Here, combine. So you have to write comment line, declaration section. These are all declarations. One set program initialization. As it is, we have to type startup selection. Even you don't know what is this startup selection, perform select as it is. This exercise is type as it is. So top hyphen half hyphen page. This is the event name. Hyphen must be there. Otherwise, it gives error. Perform for display underscore date. Underscore is part of the subroutine name. So display data. Yes. Below form subroutines. So whether you understand the program or not, type it as it is. You will come to know how to write a syntax, comments lines, all those stuff. But going forward after completion of tables, parameter, data, internal table, select, then by that time message statement, all these things you will come to know. To be completed to understand this particular code. That's it. Then go to the string operations. So it seems like 16 one exercise, but subset around 15 subset are there. So that means each one is a kind of 15 programs. Each one is an independent program. Accept string, determine its length. This is strlen string function, so you can do that. Accept the string and number, write the value that many times. 3 times, do loop through, you can do it. And when everywhere it is written as accept, How you accept from user is by using parameters. That is, it's a kind of dynamic program. We don't write any hard code. So user input, declare a string variable and a number variable, accept number and how many times you want to repeat it. Write that many times by using do loop or while loop. Yes, so this is a complex. Accept two string, swap their content. Swap is nothing but interchanging. Swap means interchange the value. Name one to name two, name two to name one. Yes, accept two strings, concatenate into one string. This is use concatenate. Accept one string, use delimiter, separator, and split. For this, you have to use a split such string operation. Accept ABCDE shift operation, you have to do it. Accept string apple, change the occurrences. Change means replace. You have to do the replace string operation. Replace single, replace all occurrences. Okay. Accept two string, compare two strings by using contain only, contain any, contain string, contain pattern. Yes. Accept ABCDE, write offset value. How do you do that? First, you have to revise that string basics. Accept first name, middle name, last name, write this way. NT Ramarao. You have to write this way. That is, this is the full name. Accept full name, but when you print only write first name followed by dot. First name followed by dot. Next, this is as it is. So that's what. Dot also you have to add as a part of concatenate. This is the hidden logic. Accept string, how many times it occurs. Sorry, change means replace. Accept number, shift it. Okay. Swapping, string display, the reverse order. Reverse string. Reverse string is nothing but, okay, you know reverse string. Yes, as it is. We go in a, okay, A, B, C, D, E. Reverse string is E, D, C, B, A. This is reverse string. Correct? Yes. This is there. You can write it reverse order also. Go back. Okay. Actually, ready-made function modules are there. String underscore reverse. If you use that function model within 1 second, it will give reverse for you. But you can try out now your own logic. Palindrome. Palindrome, you know, all of you are from C language background through. Palindrome is nothing but you read from left or right, you will get a similar meaning. Example, write MADAM. MADAM. That means you read left to right, madam, right to left, madam only. Yes, that is. So how do you, then only this is palindrome. That means how do you give accept the string from the user, find out whether the given value is palindrome or not. How do you, what is the logic for this is, first we have to do find out the length of the given string. It is 5. So if it is 5, we have to go to the midpoint first. Identify midpoint. Yes, D is the midpoint. Compare midpoint before letter is A, midpoint after letter A. Before after letter matches, then okay. Then go to next preceding letter M and M matches. Before letter matches. Yes, that is. So compare previous two letters match with after two letters matches, then it is called as palindrome. Otherwise, not palindrome. This is the languages are these logics are given in the C program. You go to Google, you will get it. Palindrome programs with a lot of examples through they explained. You can refer that. Next, go to the right statement. This is A kind of delight example. You can write it appreciation letter like this. To your name, address, and all city with different colors. You can write background colors. Yes, appreciate letter exactly from address to address, etc. This is only to know the as it is delight address. You type it. As it is, you have to. Yes, you have to know how to give a block. This psi v line, psi u line through. You can achieve this block in the output with this value in a new line, comma, separator, all these things, right? This is example for write formats. If you go to the F1 help on write, you can achieve it. But we will have a separate topic on write formats. Already background colors are introduced. You can try out. So there is a report called as SHOLO. Show, yes. There is a one built-in ready-made program is there that is called as show color. SHOWCOLO. That is was there in the yes, display colors in list. Just execute. Yes, this is your colors, background color, heading color, normal color, total color, key color, positive color, negative color, group colors. There are total 0 is a normal color, 1 to 7 color IDs we have. Okay, yes. This is your, I will cover intensity, inverse and all later. Only focus on color. You will cut, you can do that example. Control statements. Yes, this is your one exercise. This is one exercise. Accept, character, decide vowel or consonant. Already I demonstrated. Accept date, find out year and display this way. Accept the quarter. You know quarter? Yes. How many quarters are there? How do we? This is in first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. You can decide it. Okay. Yes. April, May, June, first quarter. July, August, September, second quarter. That way you can go into 4 quarters India wise. You can print which this given date falls in which quarter. Decide it. Find out the quarter. That was the explanation. Accept a number. Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series also someone will pronounce it like that. What is that? Is this is a kind of series printing. So 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. Yes. 3 plus 5 equals to 8. 5 plus 8 equals to 13. 13 plus 8 equals to 21. This is okay by returning the previous values, add the current value and write the next result. This is called as Fibonacci series. This program is there in C language also. You can write factorial. Factorial is nothing but 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 2, yes. Factorial of 2 equals to 2. Factorial of 3 into 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial is, sorry, this goes like this. 1 into 1 equals to 1. 1 into 2 equals to 2. 1 into 2 into 3 equals to 6. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equals to 24. This way. 6 4 ja 24. 2 3 ja 6. 1 2 ja 2. Yes, exactly. This is factorial. This is what next? Prime numbers. What is a prime number? Google it. Prime number which is divisible by itself and by 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all prime numbers up to 1 to 10. Prime number program. Yes. Next, adding mission numbers. Addition, subtraction and all you can try out. Okay, yes. Star printing. Stars printing. Output should be printed in this program is there in it can be achieved do and another do. Nested do loop through you can achieve it. How many rows required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. How many columns required? 5 columns required. 5 rows and columns. Condition through you can print the star. Outer star, inner star. Condition through you print it. It's swapping interchange. Echo can be printed in this way: E, EC, ECH, ECHO. Increase the letters. Decrease the letters: ECH, ECE. This is one style of printing design. This is your square printing: 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. Multiplication: 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 10 ja 20. Multiplication table. So many exercises are there. Odd even numbers, all even numbers within 20, all odd numbers within 20. Can print it. Okay, done. So go to the till here you can almost you are able to do it, but this events, yeah, don't we do. I will introduce these events later, but it is very simple. What they are telling is that accept from number to number 10, 20. Lower limit is 10, upper limit is 20. It between 10 and 20 loop it and print the squares. 10 squares, 11 square, 12, 13, 14, 15 up to 20 squares can be printed. Okay, squares can be printed with the output. Calculate a table plus minus. This is already given. Accept this symbol. Accordingly perform addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Date problems. There are so many date problems are there. Accept today's date and find out the difference of the days. Accept days display in the different previous format. 6 months add. Convert month to JANFEB like that. And the convert these all the things are possible. You try out because I already given explanation to that. Yes, working with date only offset calculation through you can do it. Add number to date. Accept side item. Add number plus number and print it. This is 03 plus 1 equals to 04. Month is month adding, date adding, something plus 14 days adding. Okay. Then go to the data objects related. This exercise covers create the data objects. Data objects are nothing but you have to declare company name as a constant with data type C and length 35 with value Deloitte Consulting. Declare a person name with variable declaration when K11 name 2. Declare street with K11 STRS. Declare city with K11 ORT01. Declare telephone number with your own field name, but it should be accepted only numbers. If it is only numbers means which data type is relevance? Type N is relevance, numeric, numC. That is the logic you have to. Okay, because type N only accept numbers. It's not by C. Pin code, type N. Customer data by using KNA1. Field string, leave it because you cannot write field string later. Let's go to here. So declare variables, assign the values, assign values by using equals to or move, then you can print it. Move corresponding and all we'll talk later. Only whatever is possible you try out. Because select 10 records from EKKO, that is okay too. Advanced internal tables you cannot do it. This you can try out. Another example: quantity, price, quantity, gross price, discount price, net price. Declare one constant and four general variables as per type P decimals, etc. Gross price discount. Assign these values, price equal to 25.5, and this calculation, do this calculation, gross price equal to quantity into price unit, and percentage discount 10%, that is apply formula 10%. Net price you calculate it, gross price minus net price. That is, this is a kind of small operation. Print it immediately. That is, declare it, perform these operations, then finally print the output as gross price, discount price, net price. After underline, okay, internal table, leave it. Okay. So almost till here 20, 22, 23 exercises, you can achieve it. You try this. Okay. That's all almost for the day. Thank you.